Our study is over. What is a proportion? We're going to be spending a lot of time on proportion in 6th grade. Did you know in proportion you can solve almost like 50 to 75% of STAR problems or tax problems or any types of problems through proportion. So if you are very, very fluid, if you use that math brain muscle you have and go through the process, you will understand how to solve proportion. So what is a proportion? Such a long word. It's when you have two ratios that are equivalent. You might say, what? For example, you have 1/2. Remember, ratio is another word for comparing two things, like a fraction. For example, you have 1/2 and it is equivalent to 2/4. How do you know that? You multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 and get 2/4. Another way, remember when we did the ratio table? 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4, which is equivalent to 3/6, 4/8. Let's see, what's the next one? 5, 2, 4, 6, 8. 5/10. So these are all equivalent. So if you get two of them, 3/6 is equivalent to 4/8, so they are proportional. 2/4 is equivalent to 5/10. They are proportional. 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4, so it's proportional. A couple ways you can do it. Some people do it through the scale factor. This is one method. How do you turn a 3 to a 9? What do you multiply by? What is the scale factor do you multiply by? I multiply the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3, and you get 9/12. So they are proportional. They are equivalent because you are multiplying by the same scale factor. That is one way to do it. A second way is through this. Cross product. 3 groups of 12. 3 groups of 12 is 36. 4 groups of 9 is 36. So these are proportional. So which one do you prefer? It's up to you. Some people prefer the scale factor method. Multiply by 3. The same scale factor. Some people prefer the cross product. Let's look at the next one. How do you turn 2 to a 6? Times 3. Scale factor. So we multiply by the same scale factor times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Are they proportional? Are these two ratios equivalent? No, they are not. If this had been an 18, then I say, wow, they are proportional. So let's check our work here. 2, 6 is equal to 6/15. So using the cross product, what's 2 groups of 15? 30. What is 6 groups of 6s? 36. Are they proportional? No. Last but not least, let's do a real world example. You have 6 teachers who eat 9 apples, or receive 9 apples, because I don't think they can eat that many. And then in another school, you have 14 teachers who receive 20 apples. So are these equivalent? Did these teachers get the same amount of apples? Is it fair? Let's see. Can 6 go into 14? What is the scale factor? No, it cannot go into 14. One way to do it is, can you simplify 6/9? 6/9 become 2/3. Remember, you divide by 3. Now, can you find the scale factor? How many 2 teachers go to 7 teachers? Times 7. Multiply it by the same scale factor. 3 times 7 is 21. So are they proportional? No! Another way to do it is through the cross product way. Whoops, let me use a different marker. What is 6 groups of 20? 120. What is 14 groups of 9? Ooh, lattice. I love lattice. 14, 9. Draw a diagonal, diagonal. 1 times 9 is 9. 4 times 9 is 36. So bring down to 6. 9 plus 3 is 12. Carry to 1. 126. Are they proportional? No, they are not proportional. So let's try one more example in case you still don't understand what I'm trying to teach here. You have the fraction or the ratio of 2/4. Let's do, let's see, 14. Are these two ratios equivalent? Are they, let's see, are they equivalent? How many 2's go in 7? What is the scale factor? Nope. Oh, wait, 2/4. Can't that be simplified? Isn't 2/4 the same thing as 1/2? Now, what is the scale factor? Times 7. Times 7. 1 times 7 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. Are they equivalent? Yes. You multiply by the scale factor of 7. Another way to do it is through the cross product way. We prefer that method. What is 2 groups of 14? 28. What is 7 groups of 4? 28. Are they proportional? Yes, they are proportional. So what is a proportion? It's when you have two ratios that are equivalent. So you have two fractions, so you can look at it. You can either find the scale factor, what do you multiply by? So put the numerator denominator by, or you can do cross product and see if they are equivalent. Either method is okay. So that is what is a proportion.